Hello friends, to make this small cement pot is quite easy. You can easily make it at home. You have to have just 2 glasses of sand and 1 glass of cement to make this pot. I will show you how. We have to simply mix it well. It should be properly mixed, thoroughly mixed, and nothing should be left behind. Mixing is a little, it will take a little more time. Mix it well, because if we will not mix it, then it will not get its basic strength out of this. We have to mix it really well. See, everything has been mixed completely and properly. Now take some oil and we have to cover the entire surface of this box thoroughly. I mean each and every side, even the bottom as well as all the sides should be properly lubricated, so that each and every corner or the surface of the box should be properly lubricated. You can use mustard oil or any lubricant you can use. And simultaneously we have to lubricate this surface also. This box we are going to put inside, and it has to be properly lubricated like this, the other box. You can see we have pasted one thermocol piece here. This is to give one small hole at the bottom of this pot. So it is quite important, because otherwise the extra water won't be able to drain out from this cement pot. So we have properly lubricated all this, all these two containers, and we have to put them in each other like this. Now we will mix water in this. Now we will add water into this and make a construction paste of this. You will see it will absorb water and it will become a paste, cement and sand paste. It will take some time. We have to mix it properly. As you can see, we have make a paste out of this. It has to be like this, semi-solid. Now we will just fill it inside the container. First of all, we have to fill the bottom. See, we will take it out, and first bottom has to be filled, and it has to be tapped like this, so that it is equally distributed at the bottom. And they should be, try to remove all the air bubbles as much as possible. This way all the air bubbles will come out. Now we will put it here. It has to be completely and totally at the center of this container. Now we will start filling it out. make sure that it should be filled properly from all sides. We have to fill it properly so that no space should be left behind. See, we have to fill it till it's completely filled, each and every place. You can see nothing should be left behind. To remove the air bubbles, use a rod like this so that each and every air bubble at the bottom should be removed. It is quite important because otherwise it will not give a smooth shape to the outside of the pot. Tap it properly so that each and every surface should be equally distributed, and we will put some weight on it now, and we will leave it for at least 12 to 24 hours, and tomorrow we will see how it will look like. See, we have to put a weight like this on this so that it should be properly placed inside this container, and now we will meet tomorrow. Bye. गर्म पानी से निकालेंगे इसे बाहर। गर्म पानी से प्लास्टिक अपनी जगह छोड़ देगा और ज़रा सी कोशिश में बाहर निकलाएगा। बिल्कुल स्मूथली बाहर निकला। सी, अब इसको हम पानी भर के इसके 1-2 दिन के लिए छोड़ेंगे ताकि सीमेंट अच्छे से इसको पानी सोख ले और मजबूत हो जाए। पॉट से निकालने के बाद ये कुछ ऐसा दिखाई देगा। देखिए कितनी स्मूथ फिनिश आई है इसकी। अब हम इसको वाइट पेंट करना शुरू करेंगे। ये जो छोटे छोटे से जो वाइट ये जो छेद दिखाई दे रहे हैं, ये इसके नेचुरल ग्रेन्स हैं। इसको आपको कुछ परेशान होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है। अगर आप इनको छुपाना चाहते हो तो आप इसके ऊपर सिंपल एक पतला सा सीमेंट का एक घोल और लगा दोगे तो ये सारे के सारे छेद जो हैं बंद हो जाएंगे। लेकिन अगर आप छेद नहीं भी बंद करेंगे तो भी अच्छे लगते हैं ऐसे, पर इससे गमले की स्ट्रेंथ पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। कभी भी ये चीज़ है। इसको सिंगल कोट हमने कर दिया है। इसके बाद एक और कोट आप कर सकते हैं ज़्यादा स्मूथ फिनिश के लिए। ये वाइट भी देखने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है। इसके बाद आप चाहें तो जोन सा मर्जी इसके ऊपर डिज़ाइन भी बना सकते हैं। मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में। आवर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट विल बी लाइक दिस। फाइनली सब पेंट करने के बाद, पौधा लगाने के बाद आपका पॉट कुछ ऐसा नज़र आएगा, है ना सुंदर। बाय। अगर अच्छा लगे तो मेरे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। बाय।